Hey guys, Technomentary here today to do a quick unboxing and review of a used iPhone 7 Plus that I bought on eBay a couple days ago, and it just came in today. Wanted to kind of unbox and show you guys kind of the condition of the used iPhones that you can get on eBay for almost, one-fourth of the price that you pay for a new one. So this one I bought for I think under $200. It is a S7 Plus. These are a couple years old, but iPhones, they kind of hold their value. So to get it at a discounted price, it's pretty good. If you guys want to check out the iPhones, I included the link to the discounted iPhones that you can find, iPhone 7 Plus you can find on eBay. And if you guys also want to check out other videos of iPhones that I bought from previously on eBay, some of the newer generation and the older generation, and reviews of them, do kind of take a look at the other videos that I have out there on YouTube on my channel. So let's dive right into it. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of, unbox this for you guys. So it came in this, as you can see, this generic cardboard box. It is a used phone. So let's see what we have in here today. As you can see, here you go. So they did include, this one includes kind of return envelope slip. So if I have to return, I can return it. And see what else we have here. So this one, as you can see, the only thing they included is the phone, which is exactly what the description had. So you have to read the description to see what's included with the phone. For this one, they only include just the phone. They didn't come with the charger, which is fine. You'll purchase a charger for pretty cheap on eBay as well. So here you go. So at a first look at it, so this is the iPhone 7 Plus, as you can see. The double cameras here, and this is the silver edition, which is one of the colors that they come in. Let's go ahead and power this phone on. So as you can see, it's powering on right now. So kind of give you guys a quick look at the cosmetic condition of it. Front screen looks clean, no scratches or scarves anywhere. The edges, as you can see, are you can see this, the edges look clean as well, no real issues with the edge as well. The back, if you go on the back as well, same thing. I don't see any kind of issues with it. And so here you have it, the iPhone 7 Plus. So I usually like to kind of do a quick test of functionality. They come in tested, so even though they're used, usually the seller will tell you, they go through kind of fully, testing so that they are fully functional and there's no issue with them. So the key thing to buy when you're buying from eBay is make sure that the seller has sold a lot of them, or seller has really good ratings on eBay and has been a long-term member. And also, most sellers will provide kind of that 30 to 60 day money back guarantee. So if I have to return it, I can return it within that time period and get my money back. I just have to ship it back the way I got it. So right now, let's take just a quick look of some of the kind of functionality tests that I like to do. Usually I like to make sure the camera is functional. So as you can see, the back camera is good, and then the forward camera is good as well. So that's good. And then the next thing I like to kind of check out is kind of the buttons. So the power, so these are the volume up and down. Vibration is good. The power button is good as well. And then other things you can really check for to really make sure the phone works like it should be. Sometimes you want to make sure the fingerprint is working, so you can try to add a finger here. As you can see, it's starting to read it, so I'm not going to set that up. So that's about it for kind of getting a cheap used iPhone 7 Plus on eBay. If you guys want to go check it out, like I said, the link to the discounted phones are kind of for the iPhone 7s are included in my description. Hope this video helped to you guys kind of make a decision if you're looking to buy iPhone 7 Plus on eBay, and also kind of any other phones that you guys want to check out. If you guys thought this video was helpful, please help my channel grow. Kind of give it the thumbs up, or subscribe to my channel for more future videos on kind of reviews of other phones that I'll probably end up buying on eBay and kind of doing a review of. So thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.